What's up, my beautiful people? Today in the kitchen I'll be sharing this amazing fish and grits with creamy vodka sauce recipe. If you want to see this, stick around and let's get started. Okay guys, so let's prepare the grits first. Today I'll be using some quick grits, and I have here some sharp cheddar cheese and Monterey Jack cheese. I also have some heavy cream and some better than bouillon chicken base. You can use regular chicken bouillon if you like. I have some butter, sugar, and black pepper. The first thing you want to do is add a little bit of that better than bouillon to your water. I have 4 cups of water here. I will leave all the correct measurements I used in my description box. You want to add that in and then go in with the grits. You want to mix the grits until it's nice and smooth. Then set the lid on and allow it to go for about 15 to 20 minutes on low heat. So after about 20 minutes, your grits should be fully cooked, and this is what it should look like. Next, we will add our heavy whipping cream, and then you want to go in with your cheese as well. You could add as much cheese or as little as you like. And we will also add the sugar and the black pepper. Now I will get a lot of questions, I know, if the sugar will make the grits sweet. No, it will not. It's not enough sugar. It's just a teaspoon of sugar. It does not make it sweet. It just adds balance to the grits. Even though some people like their grits sweet, this is not that kind of grits. So once all the ingredients are well combined, we'll cover and allow it to simmer on low heat again for about 2 more minutes. And the last thing you want to add is your butter. Add as much or as little as you like, and it's all done. You can turn the heat off and set aside. Now as this cools down, it will get even thicker. I like mine thicker, so I will allow it to cool before I serve it up. Now let's prepare our fish. Here I have 3 grouper fish fillets, wild caught grouper, and I have some melted butter, grated garlic, some Old Bay, fish seasoning, and black pepper. The first thing you want to do is combine all of the ingredients into the butter, mix really well, and this will be used as a marinade for our fish. Here I have some lemon slices and some thyme, and we will place the fish down and we will just coat the fish generously with that marinade. Once we are all done, we will place this in a 425-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now, please remember that you could use any kind of fish that you desire or what you have on hand. And I forgot to mention that I did wash the fish real well with lemon juice and vinegar. After about 30 minutes, this is what the fish is looking like. I did baste it with the juices and garnish with some fresh parsley. And yeah, this is it. Now we will make the sauce to go with this dish. So to make this creamy vodka sauce, you will need some heavy whipping cream, tomato sauce, vodka, any kind of your choice, some mushroom seasoning, seasoned salt, black pepper, butter, some garlic, and onion. So to my preheated saucepan, I did add a pinch of oil. Now we'll go in with some butter, allow that to melt. Then we'll go in with our onions and garlic. Mix that around and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. So now we'll add our vodka. You could add as much or as little as you like, but avoid adding the vodka that comes in flavors. You need the regular vodka. So we will mix this around and allow it to just reduce a bit to cook off the alcohol. Next, we'll add our tomato sauce, give that a good mix, and we'll allow this to come up to a simmer because our heat dropped and we want to raise the heat back up. So after that, we will go in with our heavy whipping cream, and we'll also add our seasonings to add flavor and taste. You can taste this and adjust the seasoning to your own liking. You could also add your favorite seasonings. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. Also, if you don't want to use the alcohol, you can just leave it out. Now you want to cover this and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes, just allowing all the ingredients to marry and become one with each other. After 5 minutes, that's it. We'll turn the heat off and get ready to plate everything up. And here you have it, baked fish and grits with a yummy creamy vodka sauce. I did add some veggies on the side and it was amazing. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.